Poet thinks that the sun is doing same here. Now the sun is ready. On one side of the road, he waits for the school going children and he smiles at them just like our any of the family member. See, next stanza. Through the green topped branches, breezes sing their songs of blessings. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy road with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush foliage waves his hands. Means what having? When breeze flows through the green branches of trees, certain what having sound is made. So poet thinks breeze is singing. Here also again that one see imagination. So very nice imagination having. Breeze is singing a song. Why that one? Of blessing for the children. What given that one? Blessing for the children in this poem are doing a good work of going to school, and when we do any good work, our elders give us blessings. Here, breeze is flowing, but poet portrays this as breeze is singing a song of blessings for the children. In the early morning, everyone wake up, but roads are still sleeping. So, fragrant flowers are awaking the roads. How your mother and father wake up you in the morning? Yes, here poet again imagine flowers are singing the sweet music to wake up the road. Who are wake up the road? Flowers fragrant wake up the roads. Fragrant means what? Having a pleasant or sweet smell. So that one wake up the road. Have you ever seen people tree? Yes. Yes na? Okay. So see ya. At the corner of the lane there is a people tree and color of people tree's leaf is green. So poet describe this as people trees is in his lush deep foliage. What is the meaning of foliage? Foliage means greenery or that one leafy cover. So what they are doing that one? People's trees is his lush deep foliage. Branches of people tree are shaking due to wind. Poet imagines that people tree is waving his hands, that means branches, and is saying the and saying what they are saying that one, bye bye to the school going children, just like we people do. So they also bye bye to the school going children. Yes. Poet now describes surrounding atmosphere. Which one that one atmosphere? Poet calls rays of light as angels of light. They have set out. Because of rays of light, road is shining brightly. What is the meaning of angels? Messenger of God. And set out means start. A gleam means a shining brightly, very shining brightly. So, see here. Next having, so angels of light have set out. Every road is a gleam at this hour. Angels of light have set out. Every road is a gleam at this hour. Every particle, what they are saying, every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof, flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. Now, poet describe here. What describe? Just see. Every particle What is the meaning of particle? Every particle means a very small piece of something. See here, every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Every mother has tender emotion of her child. Here, every particle of the earth feels the same for school going children. Every particle of the earth throbs like mother's heart. Means all are that one blessing to the children. Who shows us time? Yes, clock shows us time. On the way to school, here is an old roof. Wall clock is hanging on an old roof. That's why poet is saying time is sitting on old roof. In the sky pigeons are flying. Atmosphere is very pleasant, and in this pleasant atmosphere children are going to school. In this poem, poet has used the concept of personification, means they are using that when something that is not human but imagine human and given human characteristics. So I hope do you understand this poem very well? Thank you.